Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today was just one of those days where I just didn't feel like doing anything. I didn't want to vlog, I didn't want to cook. I pretty much slept the entire day, and I feel quite lonely today. I don't know why, because I'm someone who enjoys their own company, but today I feel pretty lonely, but it's okay. And also, if you are in Kolkata and you're looking for a friend, just DM me. Just DM me. And only if you're a girl. I don't want to hang out with any guy. And yeah, let's see how can I make the day more productive and meaningful. So let's see. अगर मैं कहीं जाऊँगी तो मैं vlog करूँगी, वरना this vlog will never come up. I'm going out and looking for a cafe. और वो कैफ़े मुझे गूगल मैप में मिला है, और मुझे गूगल मैप बिल्कुल फॉलो करना नहीं आता है, बिल्कुल नहीं. आई डोंट नो, बट somehow I'll figure it out. I believe in myself. I believe that I'll figure it out. Yeah. I finally found a cafe that I was looking for, and I knew that I cannot be this dumb, and it's proof that I'm not that dumb. The cafe is right here. The cafe I was looking for is closed. Well, I don't even know if it's closed or it's not. I'm not allowed because it's inside a college. और कॉलेज के अंदर वो कैफ़े क्यों बना है मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I think it's closed, or maybe allowed नहीं है, or maybe it's just for students. I don't know. Neither did I find a cafe, nor did I have any coffee. So I'm here to have early dinner. It's called 110. I forgot the name of the restaurant. Confused what to eat. Remember when I came out, I was looking for chai or a coffee, but मुझे दोनों नहीं मिला. So I got milk so that I can make my own chai. और मैंने कुछ पास्ता, cheese and कुछ वगैरह लिया. I'll show you guys later. And also, can I say something? I'm not complaining, but I kind of miss the old Kolkata, because before I used to stay in the middle part of Kolkata because of my college. मैं Salt Lake में रहती थी, and now I have moved to New Town. So New Town is not so much happening वाला place. It's pretty quiet, peaceful. ये अच्छा है, मुझे यही रहना था, मेरा सपना ही था मैं न्यू टाउन में रहूँ. But now I kind of miss my old place, क्योंकि वहाँ से सब कुछ पास था, सब कुछ. पार्क स्ट्रीट, गरिया हाट, न्यू मार्केट, एवरीथिंग. और अब मुझे लग रहा है मैं बहुत दूर में हूँ, बहुत दूर. But yeah, but this is where I have always wanted to stay, and I feel like I shouldn't complain. Breakfast, and today I'm going somewhere very interesting. I'm going to an exhibition, a textile exhibition, and I feel like it's going to be so fun. Guys, let's not forget to be grateful for this view in front of me, because it's very rare to find any greenery in Kolkata, but I'm so thankful and grateful. Also, इससे पहले जो मेरा व्यू था जहाँ मैं रहती थी, उसके सामने वाले व्यू एक नाला था. So I'm really thankful and grateful for this view. और अब ठंड बिल्कुल शुरू हो चुकी है, क्योंकि सुबह बहुत ठंड होती है और रात को भी बिना स्वेटर के नहीं निकल सकते. It's very cold. और I'm happy. I get too excited about winter क्योंकि पिछले बट ऐसे नहीं होता था कि जब कॉलेज में होता था कि विंटर के टाइम में हमेशा एग्जाम होता था एंड यू नेवर really got to enjoy the winters, but this time I'm not in college anymore. I graduated. I can do whatever I want now. And अब मैं winter अच्छे से मज़े करूँगी, अच्छे से feel करूँगी. And I'm really excited. I don't know why. I get excited for no reason. And but मैं कोलकाता में रहती हूँ, so you should understand that I should really get excited about winter क्योंकि यहाँ गर्मी बहुत गंदी वाली गर्मी होती है. And yeah, I don't know आज मैं क्या करूँगी. I'm gonna go to the exhibition, meet a friend. उसके बाद don't know, really don't know. And what else? और कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है. I can show you my outfit. I got ready to go to the textile exhibition and मेरे दोस्त नहीं आने वाली है, so I'm gonna go alone. And yeah, I feel like जो textile exhibition होने वाला है, that is not even textile exhibition, it's just a technical part of textiles, जैसे machines, screen printing and all that thing. But I'm excited. Let's go now. Got to know is it's not a garment or a textile exhibition, it's more of a machine वाला exhibition जिससे machine embroidery बनता है उसका machine, जरी embroidery उसका machine and knitted garments वो सब वो machines का exhibition है. And I've also got business card because I feel like it will be helpful in the future, so why not. Back from the exhibition and I checked their business card and I realized that वो लोग सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेंगे ही नहीं बिकॉज वो तो बस शो के लिए था जो एम्ब्रॉयडरीज था. मुझे कोई चाहिए जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी करे मेरे लिए, मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी या स्क्रीन प्रिंट एवरीथिंग. आई डोंट वांट द मशीन्स ऑब्वियसली, व्हाई विल आई वांट द मशीन्स, पर वो लोग तो मशीन बेचने आए थे. सो यहाँ जो भी कार्ड्स है सब मशीन के लिए है, मुझे तो मशीन नहीं चाहिए. बट they were kind enough to show me everything, each and every step. They were showing me each and every step. They were very nice enough to show me सब कुछ, even though I didn't understand anything. मैं जान के क्या करूँगी, but whatever it is, fake it till you make it. क्योंकि I feel like they thought I want a business or something कि वो लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैं मशीन खरीदने आई हूँ और मुझे सब कुछ दिखा रहे थे. But yeah, whatever it is, I want somebody जो मेरे लिए, basically I want कारीगर्स कोलकाता में. I know few of them, but मुझे और चाहिए. If you guys know, let me know. This is my lunch. Oh my god, look at the dog. Oh, how do I zoom in? Wait a second. Oh my god. Morning guys, it's Sunday today. Very excited for Sunday. It's going to be a fun Sunday, even though literally every day feels like Sunday for me. Yes, I know you guys can't relate. Every day is literally a Sunday for me. and I'm not bragging about it. It's just funny how every day is Sunday for me. And what else? I don't even know मैं आज क्या करूँगी. बस मुझे मेरे बहुत सारे काम है. What was that? Did you guys hear it? Did you guys really hear it? Really have no idea what that was, but as long as nobody died, everybody is okay. I'm okay. And what else? Yeah, where was I? क्या बोल रही थी मैं? आज संडे है, मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे जाने मन नहीं है. Because since every day is Sunday for me, मैं संडे को बाहर नहीं निकलती क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्राउडेड रहते हैं, तो मैं नहीं निकलती. और मुझे आज करना है बहुत सारा काम, लेकिन मैं अभी तक कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई नीड टू गो टू द मार्केट. मुझे सब्जी खरीदनी है, मुझे खाना बनाना है, मुझे सामान खरीदना है. Oh my god, I feel like a real housewife. But I'm strong in मैं बोलने वाली थी I'm a strong independent woman. पर मेरे पास हिम्मत ही नहीं है बोलने के लिए क्योंकि मैं हूँ ही नहीं. और मेरे आगे बहुत सारी चिड़िया उड़ रही है. चलो that's it. अगर मैं कुछ करूँगी मैं दिखाऊंगी. चल बाय. Finished my lunch, and if you guys saw, I'm at bak choy and chicken, boiled chicken. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, but it was so good that I got foodgasm. Now I just want to sleep, take a long nap. कितना मज़ा है ना खाना खाने के बाद जो नींद आती है वो दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा वाला नींद होती है. और thank God, so proud of myself. I've come so far. Today I felt it quite low for some reason, but you know what I learned from the sun? No matter what life throws at you, never stop shining. Hence, I'll never stop shining. Got few stuff that I wanted to take. Now I think I need coffee क्योंकि मेरी आंखें खुल नहीं रही है. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है और मेरे आंखें दर्द हो रही है. So I feel like I need coffee. I have ordered filtered coffee cappuccino for the first time. I haven't had it before. It's filtered coffee. I have had filtered coffee and cappuccino separately, but not as one. You know what I mean? मैंने filter coffee पिया है, cappuccino पिया है, but I haven't had filtered coffee cappuccino. So I really want to see how it is. So it's similar this looks similar to filtered coffee, but I feel like इसमें cappuccino mix किया हुआ है, इसलिए the name is filtered coffee cappuccino. Yeah, वैसे ही होगा, वैसे ही होना चाहिए. but this place doesn't feel like mine. I feel like I don't belong here. Maybe because it's just my first, second or third time coming here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next vlog.